welcome back. Last night, seen these two on Facebook for $300, 150 a piece. Paid $260 for both. This one, the 009L, and then an 011 AV. Seems to have a newer bar on this one. He said they both run, but they need fuel lines, so I don't know. I think we'll get into the 009L first, and we'll play around with it, see what's going on with it, and then we'll get into that thing. But yeah, I don't know. So we got air cover, or air filter cover, air filter. Both of those look decent, but I did some research all last night because I was excited, and apparently these have trouble. That one seems to go up. I don't know. Apparently these weren't the best design for a choke, but yeah, we got. Just trying to figure out where these lines are going. We got a line going from the tank to somewhere. Okay, that goes to the carb. I'm gonna go take them outside real quick and see if they'll fire up. That's good news. It runs, and it runs really good, actually. We did have one issue. I tipped it over to see if we had any issue there. We didn't really, but it was puking fuel out of the broken fuel line. I don't know why I didn't think of that, but otherwise, it seems pretty good. I don't think I had any issue with it, so I think it's worth continuing with it. But another issue is it didn't oil at all. I don't know if that's lack of oil or lack of oil. Oh shoot, I gotta be careful, right? I can't tip it over. See if there's any oil in it. Oh, there's lots of oil in it. Okay, that's not good. I heard that the diaphragm oilers in these suck, so that's probably not great. Yeah, that kind of sucks. Anyways, we'll look into that. I have no idea what to even make of that, but anywho, another issue. So I guess there was a few. This didn't want to stay down. I don't know if you could tell from the video because it kind of sucked, but definitely the wrong screw. So hopefully we can find something to help that out. If you seen me fighting with something out there and then you seen it come into frame, yeah, it was that bee. It's got beef with me. I don't know what its deal is, but it doesn't leave me alone when I'm out there. Yeah, that thing was firing up first pull. I don't even understand. So hopefully this one is kind of the same. I don't know. He did say The owner said they were his dad's saws, he can't use them anymore. But it seemed like they were used recently. I should have asked like a rough year that these were put away, but I didn't. Is that it? Just the bar nut holding that whole thing in? I think there was a screw there. Maybe it broke off. Maybe. I don't know. Oh. I'm really having a bad day today. Okay, that seems to just... Okay. What's left of the chain? So yeah, I think we take this out, the screw, and then this plate should come with it, just like that, and then that's that filter. So it looks like it's in really bad shape, but supposedly we should be able to just pull on it, and that we can. So there's that. Is there anything stuck in there, or is that it? Yeah, that's everything. Okay. Alright, we got our filter. It's definitely clean now, but it's also definitely falling apart. But, see what happens. Take our filter, zip tie real tight. Just like that. And then I think I'm going to do one more because it's kind of blowing out. Line through here. Plate thing. Whatever. Take this line and I think you're going to want to feed it this way. And then just into there. So we'll cut it. I don't know, about there. We'll go with about there. Now we're going to worry about this. So let's pop these screws off and see what's happening. There we go. Okay. I don't know what was dirty then. Why was it not working? I don't know. I don't have hopes in that because there really didn't seem to be any massive obstruction there. So I guess that just sits like that, and then now I've got to remember how to put all of this back together after taking 20 minutes each stage. So I believe it went like that, and this thing, no, we already almost messed it up. Where did we put it? Right there. So then, okay, now we shouldn't be continuously puking. It's going to puke for a bit because of how much just came out of there. Okay, so now let's take it back to the side and put the fuel back in it, see what happens. Hopefully it oils, I don't know. We'll find out. Alright, that's awesome. I don't know if you could hear me because I didn't have my microphone. It runs, it cuts, it oils. It cuts amazing. I don't know if you've seen any of it because the phone was in a weird spot. I think we should clean it up, try to deal with this, make sure everything's good, you know, test it out a couple more times just to play around with it mainly. Yeah, I'm super happy with this thing. This is really cool. Yeah, I figured it would clean up pretty good with minimal effort. I'm extremely happy with these two. I know this one runs. You'll have to come back for part 2 for that one, but it should be good too. But this thing is amazing. It runs awesome. It cuts awesome. It starts great. It doesn't give you trouble. The only thing it needs is a chain. So I know I didn't get much footage of it cutting, but I don't really have a whole lot to cut right now, so I don't know. I tested it out, made sure it cut, and it does, and it does it really good. So I'm super happy with it. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you come back for this one. Yeah, that's it. I don't know. I'm always bad with these outros, but I want to give you a good look at it too. It cleaned up alright. I didn't spend a whole lot of time with it, but yeah, I'm happy. So hope you guys liked it, and I very much hope you come back for that one because I'm pretty excited. It should come out pretty good too. I think I'll spend a little bit more time cleaning this one, mainly because it's more dirty, but yeah. Alrighty, that's it. Thank you.